Chapter 10. We need air. Stepping up. Air, a gift of nature. Uses of air. Properties of air. Well, children, you have to do a small activity. Are you all ready? Yes, ma'am. We are ready. That's like good children. Now you take out palm and blow forcefully on it. Did you feel something? Yes, ma'am. It seems something is gushing out from our mouth. Right. This is air. As if some warm thing is touching my palm. That means air is there in our mouth. Right. Air is present everywhere. Inside our body. Inside the body of all animals, plants, fruits, vegetables, empty boxes, outside our body. That means it is there inside my water bottle also. Oh, yes. Air is present everywhere. Air, a gift of nature. Air is all around us. Human beings, animals and plants need air to live. They cannot live without air. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. If you stand before a table fan, you can feel air. Moving air is called wind. When air moves gently, it is called a breeze. When air moves strongly, it is called a storm. Uses of air. Air is very useful to us. 1. Air is filled in balloons and swimming tubes. 2. Air is filled in the tubes inside the tires. 3. Air helps to dry clothes. 4. Air helps to move sailboats and windmills. 5. Air makes fire burn. Air has weight. Take 2 balloons. Fill air in one of them. Hang balloons at the ends of a stick. Hang the stick from the center with a thread. You will see that the end of the stick with air-filled balloon goes down. This shows that air has weight. Fun time. Read this poem. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Christina Rossetti. Air fills space. Air fills spaces that look empty. Look at this glass, is it empty? Yes, no. No, it is not empty, it is full of air. Push this glass in a ball of water. The water does not enter the glass because glass is already full of air. If we tilt this glass, bubbles of air come out. Now, water can enter in the glass. Flute and trumpet are musical instruments that produce sound when air is blown into them. Let us say it again. Air is all around us. We cannot see air, but we can feel it. Moving air is called wind. Air fills spaces. Air has weight. Air is needed for burning too. Exercise. A. Tick the correct option. 1. Air is needed for A. Burning. B. Swimming. C. Cycling. 2. Air that moves fast is called A. Wind. B. Storm. C. Breeze. 3. Air that moves very fast is called A. Wind. B. Storm. C. Breeze. 4. Which of these makes the air dirty? A. Playing football. B. Riding a bicycle. C. Burning crackers. B. Fill in the blanks with the words given in the brackets. 1. We cannot live without storm air. 2. When we fill air in a balloon, it becomes small, big. 3. An empty glass is full of weight air. 4. When air moves gently, it is called Wind breeze. 5. Moving air is called windstorm. C. Tick the correct sentences and cross the wrong ones. 1. We can feel air. 2. Air has no weight. 3. We can see air. 4. Air cannot move things. 5. Water is needed for the fire to burn. D. Answer these questions. 1. What is moving air called? 2. What happens to the balloon when air is filled in it? 3. What is storm? Hot's questions. 1. Why does an empty gas cylinder weigh less than a filled one? 2. Priyanka asked her elder sister that when she sleeps covering her face under a quilt in winter, is it bad for her? Why? Hint, air gets blocked out, she can't breathe properly. 3. She also asked her when she blows air through a straw in the water bottle it makes sound. Why? Hint, air bubbles pass into the water making the sound. Activity. Follow these steps to make a paper aeroplane. Take a sheet of paper. First fold the two longer edges together, crease and open out. This is to make the vertical center line. 1. Fold the top edge to lie along left edge. 2. Fold the left edge to lie along the horizontal edge. 3. Fold the two sides to the center. 4. Fold the top point down. 5. Fold in half behind. 6. Fold the top flap to the left. Fold the rear flap in the same way. 7. Like this. Open out. 8. Launch the plane into the air and watch it fly. Life skills. Keep the air around you clean. We know that we cannot live without air. Do we keep air clean or make it dirty? Check for yourself. 1. Firecrackers make the air around us dirty. Do you burn them? 2. Does your family car scooter throw out smoke? 3. Do you burn garbage or waste material for fun? Teachers' tips. Make the students feel the presence of air by conducting small activities, fountain bottle, blowing air from the mouth into a balloon, etc. Explain to them the importance of air for living beings.